Meet the Snail Facial Elixir. This isn't just any snail serum, it provides visible improvements right from the first use. The main ingredient is snail mucin extract, known for its powerful skin repairing properties. But it doesn't stop there. It's also enriched with a peptide complex to give your skin a youthful, radiant glow. The serum instantly brightens and evens out your skin tone thanks to the potent combination of vitamin C and niacinamide. You'll see a natural glow and a more even complexion right away. For that smooth, velvety feel, allantoin and deep panthenol work together to soften and smooth the skin as it absorbs. And of course, it's packed with hyaluronic acid for a plumping effect, giving your skin a fuller, firmer look without any sticky residue. Whether used alone or layered with your favorite face cream, this serum fits seamlessly into any routine. Apply it under makeup to prep your skin or use it at night after removing makeup for deep hydration and repair before bed. For an added boost, you can layer it with ImpressionZ Calm and Cool Moisturizing Face Cream. If you want to maximize the serum's effect, after applying, you can also use the ImpressionZ Ice Globe for a refreshing experience. The ice globes help the serum penetrate deeper into the skin, making sure you get the full benefits. This Snail Facial Elixir is the perfect blend of high-quality ingredients for instant and long-lasting results. Get ready to enjoy smooth and radiant skin.